You didn't buy a pickup truck just to drop 60 grand on a glorified grocery getter. You bought it for the utility, the power, and the absolute freedom to haul whatever, wherever. But here's the dirty little secret the dealerships don't tell you. Your stock truck bed is a massive waste of potential. Today, we are unlocking the cheat codes of truck ownership. We're bypassing the cheap plastic junk and breaking down 20 elite upgrades that will transform your rig into an indestructible fortress, a high-security mobile command center, and the ultimate off-grid base camp. We've even found a stealth modification so hidden it looks like something straight out of a James Bond spy vehicle. Strap in. Here are the top truck gadgets you actually need this year. 1. Black Sheep Hidden Taillight Drawers. Starting off with pure stealth, the Black Sheep Hidden Taillight Drawers. Why leave your expensive recovery gear, tools, or valuables taking up bed space where anyone can see them? Swiss engineering firm Black Sheep completely reimagined dead space by turning your actual taillight cavity into a hidden slide-out vault. You press a concealed latch, the entire OEM light assembly glides backward, and you unlock gallons of weather-sealed, completely undetectable storage. It is the ultimate anti-theft upgrade for gear you need to keep out of sight. 2. Spark Nano 7 GPS Tracker by BrickHouse Security. Speaking of security, if your rig gets targeted by thieves, factory alarms won't save you. You need the Spark Nano 7 GPS tracker from BrickHouse Security. This thing is a micro-sized, weatherproof digital bloodhound with a heavy-duty magnetic slap case that grips your truck's undercarriage like iron. It gives you real-time 4G LTE tracking straight to your phone across North America, custom geofence boundary alerts, and detailed trip reporting. If your rig moves an inch without your permission, you'll know before it even leaves the driveway. 3. Ronin Factory 50 cal bullet antenna. Let's ditch that 30-inch metal whip antenna that constantly smacks branches on the trail and snaps off in automatic car washes. The Ronin Factory 50 cal bullet antenna replaces your factory mast with a solid military-grade 6061 aluminum replica of a 50 caliber round. It's hard anodized in matte black, theft-resistant with integrated locking thread locker, and engineered to maintain crisp, clean AM/FM audio reception while giving your fender a rugged, tactical profile. 4. Ontow Seat Gap Organizer. Inside the cab, the black hole between your center console and your bucket seat is where keys, knives, and cell phones go to die. Stop digging around in the dark while driving at 70 miles an hour. The Ontow Seat Gap Organizer slides snugly into that dead void, turning wasted space into a compartmentalized tactical pocket. It holds your phone, sunglasses, and wallet securely in place, complete with built-in charging cable pass-throughs so your cockpit stays immaculate. 5. Car Key Wireless Charger. To complete your interior command center, eliminate cord clutter forever with the Car Key Wireless Charger. Instead of dangling USB cables around your gear shifter, this custom-fit pad drops directly into your factory console tray. It delivers fast 15-watt QI wireless charging through thick phone cases, featuring an anti-slip silicone mat that keeps your device pinned in place even when you're crawling over washboard dirt roads. 6. XBull Recovery Traction Tracks. When you take your truck off the pavement, getting stuck isn't an if, it's a when. Before you pay $1,000 for a remote tow bill, throw down a set of XBull Recovery Traction Tracks, engineered from reinforced nylon that can flex under a 10-ton load without snapping. These aggressive, cross-grip traction boards give your spinning tires instant bite in deep mud, sand, or snow. They can even double as a reliable shovel to clear debris from your undercarriage. 7. UTM Master Load Lid. Most tonneau covers protect your gear from rain, but they completely kill your ability to load heavy cargo on top. The UTM Master Load Lid changes the entire equation. Constructed from 3mm hard-wearing aluminum checker plate, this load-rated beast turns the top of your truck bed into a second structural cargo deck,
capable of supporting over 400 pounds of dynamic weight. Strap down lumber, quad bikes, or rooftop tents directly to the integrated perimeter rails, while keeping the vault underneath locked and weatherproof. 8. Max Zena Universal Retractable Ratchet Straps. If you are still untangling a massive knotted ball of cheap nylon straps every time you need to secure a load, you are wasting your life. Upgrade to the Max Zena Universal Retractable Ratchet Straps. These bolt directly to your truck bed's anchor points or heavy-duty rails. Pull the strap out like a seatbelt, hook it to your cargo, and pump the ergonomic handle. When you're done, press the quick release button and the industrial spring automatically spools the webbing back into its steel housing in 2 seconds flat.
9. Black armor mats. Your truck bed takes a beating, and drop-in plastic liners just trap moisture and rust out your sheet metal from the inside out. Black armor mats are the heavy-duty answer. Manufactured from half-inch thick, ultra-dense vulcanized rubber, the same stuff used in heavy industrial mining operations, these mats absorb crushing impacts from dropped boulders and steel toolboxes. They're completely chemical resistant, won't slide around at highway speeds, and provide killer traction for your knees when you're crawling around in the back. 10. Gen Y hitch. If you tow anything serious, a standard ball mount is destroying your suspension and jarring your spine. Meet the Gen Y hitch. This is not just a piece of welded steel, it is a patented torsion rubber drop hitch engineered to absorb up to 90% of the inertia between your truck and your trailer. With adjustable drop heights and weight ratings scaling up to 36,000 pounds, it eliminates trailer bucking, reduces brake fatigue, and makes towing a heavy equipment trailer feel like you're pulling air. 11. Orchax Tri-Max Chrome Trailer Hitch. Need ultimate versatility without sacrificing showroom style? The Orchax Tri-Max Chrome Trailer Hitch delivers triple chrome-plated corrosion resistance with a rapid-adjust dual-ball platform. Whether you are switching between a 2-inch trailer for your fishing boat and a 2 5/8 ball for a heavy camper, the quick-pull solid steel pins let you swap heights and ball sizes in seconds without grabbing a single wrench. 12. Yakima Overhaul HD. When your bed is full, the only way left is to build up. The Yakima Overhaul HD is the gold standard of modular truck bed racks, featuring custom height adjustment towers that dial in anywhere from 19 to 30 inches. You can keep your rooftop tent below the cab line for wind resistance on the highway, then crank it up to haul 20-foot ladders or canoes on the job site. With an on-road carry capacity of 500 pounds and rock-solid off-road ratings, it's the ultimate skeleton for any serious build. 13. Rack and Ride MX Hitch Carrier. Why tow a bouncing, noisy trailer just to haul your dirt bike to the trails? Built in Australia for extreme outback abuse, the Rack and Ride MX Hitch Carrier bolts straight into your 2-inch receiver to carry full-sized motocross, enduro, or adventure bikes weighing up to 600 pounds. It features an integrated anti-tilt wedge that locks the rig dead silent to your frame, plus an included loading ramp that lets one person load and secure a heavy bike in under 3 minutes without destroying your fork seals. 14. Rocks Aluminum Retractable Truck Bed Extender. Ever try to haul drywall or a kayak in a short bed truck? You need the Rocks Aluminum Retractable Truck Bed Extender. Crafted from lightweight, rust-proof, powder-coated aluminum tubing, this cage flips outward over your dropped tailgate to instantly give you 2 extra feet of secure and closed cargo space. When you're done, flip it inside the bed and it acts as an instant cargo divider to keep your groceries and toolboxes from sliding up against the cab. 15. Yakima Road Shower. After 3 days on a dusty trail, cold baby wipes don't cut it. The Yakima Road Shower mounts directly to your bed rack or roof crossbars, storing up to 10 gallons of water inside a heavy-duty aluminum tube that uses the sun's energy to heat the water up to 130 degrees. Simply pressurize the tank using a standard tire inflator or bicycle pump, grab the included high-pressure hose, and enjoy a hot, pressurized shower, wash off muddy camp dishes, or hose down your hunting dogs anywhere on Earth. 16. Wise Hitch Cargo Carrier. If your cab is packed with people and your bed is loaded with firewood, stack the overflow onto the Wise Hitch cargo carrier. This 500-pound capacity steel basket gives you a massive 6-square-foot exterior deck. Engineered with a folding shank, you can easily fold the entire basket vertically against your tailgate when you're navigating tight parking lots, complete with angled mesh floors that let mud and rain fall straight through. 17. Traction tailgate ladder. Stop blowing out your knees trying to jump up into a lifted truck bed. The traction tailgate ladder is an absolute game changer for accessibility. Mounting cleanly to the inside of your tailgate, this heavy-duty steel ladder unfolds in seconds to deploy a stable, slip-resistant staircase down to the ground. It supports up to 300 pounds, works seamlessly on uneven terrain, and folds away flat so it never interferes with your sheet materials or bed covers. 17. Truck tailgate light bar. Visibility is safety, especially when you are backing up a massive rig in the dark. A truck tailgate light bar fits cleanly into the horizontal gap between your bumper and your tailgate, transforming the back of your truck into a high-visibility communication strip. Packed with triple-core LEDs, it syncs directly with your wiring harness to fire off intense red braking lights, dynamic sequential amber turn signals, and a flood of pure white light when you shift into reverse. 19. Hitch and Sit. Why drag bulky camping chairs around in the dirt when your truck can do the holding for you? The Hitch and Sit is an innovative seating system that plugs straight into your receiver hitch. In under 60 seconds, it unfolds 2 full-sized floating hammock-style chairs with integrated cup holders and footrests. Because it suspends you entirely off the ground, you get a comfortable, swinging seat over rocks, mud, or stadium pavement, making your truck the undisputed king of every tailgate party. 20. Kicker Multi-Pro Tailgate Audio System. Finally, to claim ultimate basecamp supremacy, we have the Kicker Multi-Pro Tailgate Audio System. Designed to integrate directly into multifunction step tailgates, this custom-built sound system packs a 100-watt stereo amplifier, 2 weatherproof coaxial speakers, and Bluetooth connectivity right into the tailgate step housing. It operates entirely independently of your truck's ignition, meaning you can blast crystal-clear audio at the campsite or the lake for hours without ever draining your primary starting battery. From James Bond-style hidden taillight vaults to 60,000-pound torsion tow hitches, these aren't just plastic toys, they are strategic investments that unlock the true, uncensored capability of your truck. Which one of these 20 upgrades is getting bolted onto your rig first? Drop your build plans in the comments below. If you want to stop leaving your truck's potential on the table, hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and check the description for direct links to every single piece of gear featured today. We'll see you out on the trail.